This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com, with a quick video on Litecoin. This is for May 30th, 2019. We can see Litecoin slightly down for the day, trading at about 112 and change, 113. Now, of course, we've seen a nice move over the last couple of, let's call it, going back to the lows of late December. In fact, let's go back to that weekly chart. You can see off the lows here, strong move. Now the question is, where is the next potential swing trade? And what I've been talking about, and I think I've discussed this in a previous video, but very simply put, in my opinion, it seems like if we go back to this break, and of course, if you've seen my videos, you know where I'm getting at here. We got a break here off the highs of early 2018. We can take this information, draw a straight line as such, and you can see already coming into this year, we hit this level and we had a shallow pullback, not the biggest pullback, but a pullback nonetheless for about 3 weeks before finding some bottom here. And now, this is the big takeaway. This could end up being where we stall again. If we do, then we can use, or we can see this as being the formation of a double top rejection on this uniformity line. It would also be a double top rejection if it confirms it. Double top rejection when trading around the RSI level of 69.1. In other words, that would be at RSI 69.1 uniform activity rejection twice in a row for 2019. If that is the case, and what that suggests is that we are looking at a situation where the next meaningful direction in terms of a swing trade for Litecoin, and pretty much by extension to the cryptos, looks to be hinting at much lower prices. The key is wait to see whether this hits the RSI level below 69.1, which is currently at about 71. If it drops back below that level, be on the lookout. This might be suggesting, once that is formed, that this is going to lead to a sizable drop. Potentially, I would guesstimate, and it's only a guesstimate because I don't know. Test the lows here, could be possible, or even these lows. This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. S. Yes. Yes. Woo, yeah.